morning. In the previous class, we learned about hardware and software, and we learned about some input devices and some output devices. What is the meaning of input devices? The devices which is used to give input. In the first chapter, we learned about making mango juice, isn't it? So mangoes are the inputs for the mango juice. So mangoes are the inputs, isn't it? We need some device to put that mangoes into a mixer. Normally we will use our hand or we can use a spoon. So our hand or spoon acts as a input device in the case of mango juice. But in the case of computers, we can't use our hands as input devices because we want to give instruction or messages to the computer. So for that we are using so many devices. Those devices are called input devices. The commonly seen input devices are keyboard, mouse. So these are the main input devices which will be there for every computer. So these are the two important input devices. One is keyboard, one is mouse. Other than this, you can use microphone. You can use joystick. Mainly joystick is used to play games. Microphone is used to record your sound into a computer. There are so many other devices, but that we will learn in later classes. So I think all of you know about input devices. The devices which is used to give input to a computer. Those devices are called input devices. And next category was output devices. Output devices are those devices which is used to get the output from the computer. So you want to see the result from the computer. For that we are using output devices. In the case of mango juice, you will get the mango juice in your mixer. You need to pour that into a glass. So their glass will act as an output device. You will collect the mango juice in a glass. So output devices means those devices which is used to get the output. So in the case of input devices, we use the word give the input. In the case of output devices, we use the word get the output. One we are giving and the other we are getting. Most important output device is monitor. On the monitor, you can see the result. Another one is printer. You will get the result on a paper. So these are the most important output devices. And we learned about hardware and software, isn't it? Hardwares are those devices which we can touch. Okay. And there is one more thing, that is software. That means the things which we cannot touch. That means softwares are not devices. If it is a device, then we can touch it using your hands. So that means softwares are not devices. They are instructions. Can you touch what I am speaking? No, you can hear it, but you cannot touch my words. But if I write those words on a paper, then you can touch that paper. Okay, so whatever I am saying, you cannot touch that, but you can hear that instructions and you can work according to that. So just like that, softwares are instructions given to a computer. Softwares are instructions given to a computer. Without the instruction, a computer cannot work. Computer works according to the instructions given by the user. Okay, there are so many softwares available, and when a computer is switched on, the most important software is working there. That software is called operating system. It is called operating system. In short, we will call it OS. First letters of operating system. So, commonly we call it as an OS. So, when you switch on a computer, the operating system is loaded in your computer. So, for a computer, operating system is a necessity. If you want to switch on a computer, then there should be an operating system in your computer. And operating system is a software. It is a system software. Why we are calling it a system software? Because it is necessary for a computer. That is why it is called a system software. There are so many other types of software also that we will learn in the next class. Okay. So if you read your textbook very well, read the textbook daily. Okay. And understand it well. So if you take care, bye.